Hello everyone, hello everyone. Feeding time for the breeders. Seems like they ain't too hungry. Maybe because I am in here. Want to hit them with that Pro Vital. It's going to be raining tomorrow. Do a little scraping today. Some of the breeders. A lot of young breeders. Got a couple of them on eggs. Beautiful splash. Oh, we got some newborns over there. These guys are waiting for mama. They're hungry. These guys are hungry. We got Peanut. This is her second round. I'm gonna shut her down after that. Eggs. We got a couple of breeders going. Old man Pongo over there. An excellent breeder. Well, cocky little bastard. He's a cocky little bastard. I got a couple of babies in here that I gotta throw still. I couldn't catch them all today because they're always out there in the screen. I'll wait for them to come in here. I'll wait for them to come in so I can snag them in here. Anyways, guys, I'm about to go check out the youngsters on the other loft. See if they're eating. Alright, let's check out these bad boys. Alright. Let's check them out. Alright, they're eating. Thought you guys wasn't supposed to stand on top of that food container. Yeah, right. See what you silly goons are doing here. Let's see what you silly goons are doing here. I see you. You trying to escape there, buddy. Get out of here. I see you gauging the door. Get out of here, boy. Yeah. You trying to escape. Anyways, guys, peace and love to all. I'm signing off for this. I'm going to continue feeding these guys and making sure everybody is well. Getting ready for this storm we having tonight.